Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am your host today, ggfaison. I am participating in a collaboration that is hosted by Kenya of Kenya's Decor Corner. And this is our Winter Lantern Collab for 2021. Now this is a collaboration that Kenya is famous for. She's famous for hosting her lantern collaborations, and you can look forward to this seasonally. For those of you that are new to my channel, I take this opportunity to say welcome to you and thank you so much for stopping by. If you like what you see here, I would love for you to hit that red subscribe button and tap that notification bell twice so you'll be notified each and every time that there's an upload made here. Now, listen guys, in my description box below, you will find a playlist link that will give you a multitude of talent and a multitude of different creations of how you too can use a lantern in your home decor styling. So I'm going to stop talking, but I want to say welcome to my channel. All you have to do is hit the red subscribe button and tap the notification bell twice. Check out the playlist link and make sure you go over and check out Kenya of Kenya's Decor Corner. She is very, very talented. She takes us on shopping hauls. She shows us around her home. She creates some amazing tablescapes. She is just an all-around influencer here on the YT platform, and she's very amazing, just a wonderful person, you guys. So please go over, check out the host, and then check out the playlist link of all of the other creators. I appreciate each and every one of you for stopping by. So guys, what I'm doing here is I am adding this candy stripe candle ring to the candle inside the lantern to just embellish it a little bit more, and then I will take and add a ribbon around that. I've also added in the greenery to accessorize it just a little bit more inside of the lantern. Now you guys, as you know, again, this is the Christmas lantern collaboration. As I stated before, it's hosted by the lovely, the beautiful, and the very, very talented Kenya of Kenya's Decor Corner. Now her description, her playlist or her channel link will be in my description bar below. So please make sure you go over and visit Kenya and then check out that playlist link of all of the other creators that will be participating. Now with my lantern here, I am actually going to use it to center a wreath. So I will share with you how I will create my wreath and how I'm going to add my lantern into the center of this wreath. Now again, now's the perfect time to go ahead, hit that red subscribe button, tap the notification bell twice, and leave me a comment. And as you visit the other channels and as you visit Kenya, if you're new to her channel, make sure that you let her know that you came from my channel and leave a comment in the comment section, subscribe to her channel, and just show so much love. As we creators, we cannot do what we do without you all. So I thank you guys so very much. I will leave the description in the description box the link of Kenya as well as the playlist link of all of the other participants. Alright you guys, continue to enjoy. Now you may notice that I'm working in a different environment today. Yes, I'm actually out in my she shed, and you will also see that I will show you how I am going to center this lantern in the wreath. I'm going to do my best. As I stated, I'm out in my she shed, but you guys, I thank you so much for all your love and your care that you give on this platform here. As I love creating tablescapes, I love home decor, I love to share with you my creations, and I love cooking. I love cleaning. So I try to give you all a little bit of everything here on this platform. But just know I love, love, love creating beautiful and amazing tablescapes.
You'll break through. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my love.
So what I've done here is I've used this striped ribbon, and I looped it about, I think, 5 or 6 times. And so I'm just taking another piece to tie it all together to center it, and then I'm going to attach it to the wreath, to the lantern, as you see where the swag kind of ends. So I wanted to add a little bit more embellishments to that. So here I am fluffing out this big old luscious, very fluffy wreath here. It feels so good, so soft. So I'm going to fluff it out and get it decorated. And I plan to add the lantern into the center of this wreath here. Now here I'm adding some lighted garland that has the pine cones and the red berries, just to give it a little bit more of a Christmas look, embellish it a little bit more so that it will come together as you see the lantern added into it. So just continue to watch as I embellish this wreath for my lantern. So for all of the pics that you see me adding in, I'm just taking the greenery and attaching them in. I'm not gluing any of them down, as I like to use this wreath for many different looks. So that's the reason I'm just attaching them with the greenery and not gluing them in. Hey guys, I know I'm somewhat out of screen for uh, in creating the bow, but this is not a bow making video. I do have one and I will include it in the iCards above, as I created one for bow making techniques on last year. So I know I'm out of screen, so I do apologize for that.
Pictures on the shelf, swore I'm over you. Oh well, it's not that easy. Waking up in this place all alone, staying up night and day on the phone. I need me to be whole again. Thought you were the piece missing from there. You're not the one, no, no. You're not the one, no, no, no. I'm moving on, admitting we're done. That's what you got me thinking lately.
Okay, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed how I have displayed my Christmas lantern for Christmas 2021 Christmas Lantern Collaboration. Don't forget to go over and check out the host, as well as clicking on that playlist link of all of the other creators. And by the way, let me know what you think of my lantern and my wreath by leaving a comment in the comment section. And again, if you're new, don't forget, hit that red subscribe button, tap the notification bell twice so you'll be notified each and every time there's an upload. And don't forget that thumbs up as well. Be blessed, you guys. Continue the music and enjoy.